Good evening, Jen Smith. This is Julian Hofstra with Wolf Creek Marketing. I wanted to first thank you again for reaching out. Like I stated, I'll be sending you a video with some tools that shows you what things you can do to help you beat your competition online. So what are we going to be going over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Those are the three main factors you want to implement on your site. You will start beating your competitors for keywords that you want, like house cleaning Detroit Lakes, maid services Detroit Lakes, carpet cleaning Detroit Lakes, Minnesota, etc. You want buyer intent keywords. So let's begin here. First off with the content. What Google likes to see is about 1,500 to 200 words on your home page. You have done quite well, but could use some more. You're at about 364 words for your page, but it's not exactly keyword relevant. The reason this is so important, Jen, is we have to describe what we do on that home page. If we don't, then Google has like really no clue what to bring up, bring your website up for searches when consumers and customers or potential clients are searching for your services. Now, with that, Google doesn't see just text that we see here, like you see all this. They see more than that. We'll take, they see kind of behind the pictures here, and kind of show you here. So you see how this is kind of like a bunch of, letters and numbers. So you want to save these as like keywords such as, house cleaning Detroit Lakes, or deep cleaning, concierge services, commercial cleaning, etc. Now with that keyword information, I wanted to kind of bring up your site. This is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. Kind of shows me kind of what's going on with your site. As you can see, this is your trustful. This is also your power that's coming into your site. These are the backlinks currently. Looks like, and you have two kind of domains kind of giving you those backlinks. Now, in regards to those organic keywords, we'll take a look at yours. You have free cleaning, Smith Lake, free cleaning services, maid services, stuff like that, which is great volume and everything like that. But you are kind of ranking it, it's 10 per page, so you're about 34th position, that's about 4th page, for that word. Now I wanted to show you some of what your competition is kind of doing. I just did a general search here, for professional cleaning service to Detroit Lake, Minnesota. You are first in the Google pack. That is awesome. Great place to be. Do know that, it looks like, you have some competition with ads. Do know that, some people searching for services, they have bad experiences with ads, so you kind of miss out on that. And also kind of same with this. Google has cleaned that up quite a bit, and there is more people trusting the Google Map Pack, but, also you want to deal with organic. This would be the organic here. And this one, you're about 11, so you are on the second page, and I wanted to kind of show you in regards to one of your competitors here, TLC Cleaning Detroit, because they are first in organic. So what we're going to go over here, so this is how their site is doing. You can see their trustful is a little bit better. They have, more power coming to their site, more backlinks, and also their organic keywords is 1.1, thousand here, and they're getting $661 of traffic, roughly. So see how they're using kind of, carpet cleaning Fargo is a, buyer intent because you're having the city, and so forth, and they have quite a few more keywords than you. So I would say that's one of the major things that, can be improved on, that you could utilize and kind of start ranking in regards to the organic. And this also helps, bringing that page up and in bringing more potential clients to your website and viewing your services. Now, next, I did want to go over, like I did state, backlinks. Now, no backlink is created equal, so what you would need to do here is have relevant backlinks to your service. We have to get other sites, cleaning care, professional cleaning company, linking back to you, or your website, saying that you're the best cleaning company in that area or Detroit Lakes area. This is not an easy task. This is where the SEO really kicks in, to be able to find these links. Now, this is kind of like, you can see this as like a popularity contest on the web. It's kind of like going back into high school, and he has like the best car, best shoes, and bring him more people, kind of more popularity because he has the best. And So just kind of know, not everyone's created equal. It's not the same as, say another popular kid liking his. So that's, so we have to go after relevant links as well. We would need to go after more links in your competition, which, top organic is 1.19K, and you're sitting at 3. So we talked about content and backlinks. Next I wanted to bring up is citations. Citations, you are doing very well. You have about 17 citations. Is kind of mainly a directory with anything with your address, phone number, your company name. Basically this information, that's what that would be. So I kind of compared both of those services. Looks like they do have a little bit more than you. In regards to citations, you don't really want to stop. You kind of want to be matching your competitors, but you don't want to just stop there. You want more and more to really beat them out. This also goes the same for the links. If you want to find out where your competitors are getting their links, then you can come into kind of, let me show you here. So we're going to go here. And so this is some of their links here. Like this would be a citation, steam cleaning. You want relevant links in regards to kind of what your services would be. So what you would really want to do is to duplicate what they're doing here. So you want to kind of, keep the good links and kind of go through this here and kind of leave the bad links alone. And sooner or later it's going to start beating them out, and you're going to be pushing yourself straight up to the top. So the 3 things that I went over today, Jen, are relevant content, on-site SEO, such as saving your pictures correctly for those buyer intent keywords, for all the services that you guys are doing, and all the meta descriptions, etc. Then once we have the content done, we need to jump right into getting you backlinks. You only have 3 right now. We definitely need to get that up with better links related to your services to help rank organically. Then citations to really, keep that place in the map pack. We definitely need to get that up so you can, start beating your competition to that #1 spot. So more patients will see your services and website. With that, I wanted to thank you for your time today, Jen. My number is going to be 763-370-1784 to get back a hold of me. It was good talking with you today. I hope this explained a little bit of what needs to get done and how you can start beating your competition online. And hopefully, if you, do need assistance with that, I'm more than happy to kind of go over, a tag plan, with you if you'd like to reach out. Otherwise, hopefully this potential information will help you out. Thank you so much again.